Ladies and gentlemen, when a man stops chasing, her world shifts. Suddenly, the power is no longer in her hands. She starts to notice what she took for granted, and when she feels that loss, her reaction reveals everything. Are you ready to understand what really happens when you prioritize yourself and let her feel the weight of your absence? Stay with me. This will change the way you see women, relationships, and yourself as a man. This is the truth no one will tell you. The moment you stop chasing, when you pull back and focus on yourself, she feels it. It's not just your absence she notices, it's the absence of her control over you. Modern relationships are built on a delicate balance of power, and when you decide to prioritize your self-respect over her validation, the balance shifts in your favor. Women are wired to respond to that shift, to feel the loss of attention, and to question their actions. Today, we're diving deep into what happens when you take back your power, the psychological reactions it triggers, and how you, as a man, can rise above the games and drama. If you're ready to stop chasing, start leading, and command the respect you've always deserved, stay tuned. The moment you stop chasing, the moment you pull back and focus on yourself, the entire dynamic changes in ways most men never see coming. It's not just a shift in how she feels, it's a shift in power, control, and how you see yourself as a man. Most men live in a loop, thinking relationships are about endless effort, texting first, calling often, planning every date, and constantly trying to keep her interested. But here's what no one tells you. The more you do, the less she values you. Women don't respect what's handed to them on a silver platter. They respect what they have to work for, what they fear losing, what feels rare and unattainable. If you've spent your life chasing, you already know how exhausting it is. You feel drained, unappreciated, and sometimes completely invisible. That's not because you're unworthy. It's because you've been playing the game wrong. Women are wired to test your strength. They want to know if you're the kind of man who stands firm, or the kind who bends at the first sign of resistance. When you're always chasing, when you're constantly available, you fail that test every single time. But when you stop, when you pull back and shift your energy to yourself, that's when everything changes. At first, she might not even notice. She's used to you always being there, always reaching out. But as the hours turn into days and the days into weeks, she starts to feel it. Your absence isn't just physical, it's emotional, psychological. She begins to question what happened, why you're not chasing anymore, why your attention is suddenly out of reach. This is where the real shift happens. Women are drawn to mystery. The moment you become predictable, the intrigue is gone. But when you pull back, when you create space, you become that mystery again. She starts replaying old conversations, rereading your messages, wondering what went wrong or what changed. This isn't about manipulation. It's about reclaiming the balance in a relationship. For too long, you've been the one doing all the work, and now, for the first time, she's feeling the weight of your absence. When you pull back and stop chasing, her emotional world changes. Whether or not she shows it right away, she feels it deeply. Women are emotional creatures, far more in tune with subtle shifts in dynamics than most men realize. The moment you withdraw your attention, it's like you've thrown a wrench into her carefully constructed perception of control. She might act like it doesn't bother her. Maybe she'll stay silent or try to seem unaffected, but don't be fooled. The ripple effects of your absence begin almost immediately. First, she feels confusion. Why did you stop chasing? Why? Are you no longer checking in, initiating plans, or reacting to her every move? This isn't what she's used to. She's accustomed to being the prize, to being pursued without effort. Your absence creates a puzzle she feels compelled to solve. This confusion quickly evolves into curiosity, a need to understand what changed and why you're no longer giving her the attention she took for granted. This leads to reflection. She starts asking herself questions she hasn't considered before. Did I push him away? Was I too distant? Did he meet someone else? The more she reflects, the more she starts to see the cracks in her behavior. She realizes she's taken your effort for granted, that she's been distant, dismissive, or unappreciative. And suddenly, the power dynamic shifts. You're no longer the man chasing her. You're the man she fears losing. As this fear grows, her emotions intensify. Fear of loss is one of the most primal human emotions, and it hits women especially hard in relationships. A woman doesn't want to lose a man who values himself because deep down, she knows that kind of man is rare. Staying composed is the defining characteristic of a man who commands respect. It's the core difference between men who lead and men who chase, between men who are sought after and men who are discarded the moment their utility expires. Most men live as slaves to their emotions, reacting to every word, every action, every little test thrown their way. Women test you not because they want to hurt you, but because they want to know if you're strong enough to stand tall under pressure. When she pushes your buttons, when she teases, mentions another man, or withdraws her attention, she's testing your resolve. She wants to see if you'll break, if you'll beg, if you'll lose control of your emotions and start chasing again. Every time you react emotionally, you confirm her worst suspicion, that you're not the man she thought you were. But when you stay composed, when you show calm, unbothered confidence, you become the man she can't ignore. Women are drawn to men who are in control of themselves. Emotional composure signals strength, maturity, and self-respect. It shows her that you're not a man who needs her validation to feel whole. When the dynamic shifts, when she starts chasing and the balance of power flips, this is where most men lose their footing. They overthink, get emotional, or revert to old patterns that undo everything they've worked to build. But this isn't about winning her back or playing games. It's about choosing how you respond when the tides turn in your favor. Just because she's chasing doesn't mean she's changed. You must look beyond her actions and into her intentions. Is she putting in effort because she respects you, because she values you? Or is she just afraid of losing the comfort of your attention? This is where you must step back and assess these relationship with clarity, not emotion. If you decide she's worth it, set the tone. The new dynamic must be built on mutual respect, effort, and understanding. She needs to know that your attention is earned, not given freely. But if you realize her effort is temporary or insincere, you must be prepared to walk away not with anger, but with strength and self-respect. Your power as a man comes from your ability to detach. Focused detachment is the ultimate weapon. It's about refusing to let anyone dictate your value, your worth, or your peace of mind. Detachment isn't just about walking away from a woman who doesn't value. It's about walking away from anything that no longer serves you. It's about prioritizing yourself, your growth, and your happiness above all else. When you master detachment, you free yourself from the need for external validation. You stop seeking approval and start living for yourself. This is where true confidence comes from, not from how others see you, but from how you see yourself. Focused detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you care from a place of strength, not weakness. You remain open to connection, but you never allow that connection to define you. This is the ultimate red pill. Your power doesn't come from chasing, begging, or compromising. It comes from within, from your ability to detach, focus on yourself, and live life on your terms. When you embrace this, you become unstoppable. The right women will be drawn to you. The wrong women will fall away. And you'll finally be free to live as the man you were always meant to be.